अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम एनाटमी बुक के चैप्टर नंबर 2 ऑर्गन सिस्टम के इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस के नोट्स पढ़ने लगे हैं। तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट इज़ एन ऑर्गन? An organ is a structure made of two or more tissue types working together to perform specific functions. What is an organ system? An organ system is a group of organs that work together to carry out specific physiological functions like the cardiovascular or digestive system. What are the major organ systems in the human body? The major organ systems include the cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, nervous, muscular, skeletal, and endocrine systems. What is the cardiovascular system? The cardiovascular system includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood. It circulates blood, nutrients, oxygen, and waste products throughout the body. What is the function of heart? The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It has four chambers, two atria and two ventricles. What are the four chambers of the heart? The heart has two atria upper chambers and two ventricles lower chambers. What is the role of arteries? Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to body's tissues, except for the pulmonary arteries which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. What is the role of veins? Veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart, except for the pulmonary veins which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. What are capillaries? Capillaries are teeny body vessels that connect arteries and veins. They allow the exchange of nutrients and waste products at the tissue level. What are the components of blood? Blood consists of red blood cells, carry oxygen, white blood cells, immune defense, platelets, blood clotting, and plasma fluid medium. What is systemic circulation? The systemic circulation is the process where oxygenated blood is pumped from the left side of the heart to the body and deoxygenated blood returns to the vein to the heart. What is pulmonary circulation? Pulmonary circulation is the process where deoxygenated blood is pumped from the right side of the heart to the lungs and oxygenated blood returns to the heart. What is the circulatory system regulated? The circulatory system is regulated by the autonomic nervous system and hormones like adrenaline, which can increase heart rate and blood pressure. What is the role of circulatory system in homeostasis? The circulatory system helps maintain a stable internal environment by regulating temperature, pH, and fluid balance. What are some diseases of the circulatory system? Diseases of the circulatory system include atherosclerosis, hypertension, and heart failure. What is respiratory system? The respiratory system includes the lungs and airways. It is responsible for breathing and exchanging gas, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. What is digestive system? The digestive system includes organs like the stomach, intestine, and liver. It processes and absorbs nutrients from food. What is nervous system? The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It controls communication and coordination in the body. What is muscular system? The muscular system includes muscles that help in movement and support of the body. What is skeletal system? The skeletal system includes bones and joints. It provides support, protection, and helps in movement. What is the endocrine system? The endocrine system includes glands like the thyroid and pancreas. It regulates hormones and body functions. ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 2 ऑर्गन सिस्टम कार्डियोवैस्कुलर सिस्टम के इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। इसके जो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है वो है लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम। उसके इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड करूँगा। उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर अच्छी लगी हुई तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाइक जरूर करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।